As a finance YouTube channel, I've got to start talking about this. What if I told you could get 1% cash back on every purchase? It doesn't seem like a lot, but it does definitely add up, and some of these even provide a bonus if you're able to reach a goal. In this video, we're talking about credit cards. If you enjoy short daily finance videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel where I post a variety of finance content. This one's just a basic overview, an idea for you, but something I need to start diving into more on the channel, and you can let me know what you think down in the comments. So as you can see on the screen here, we've got a variety of credit cards. If you didn't know, you can probably qualify for a credit card at your bank that will give you instant cash back. You can see 2% cash back, 1.5% to 5%, 1 to 10%. It's all going to vary depending on what card you get and what bank you have. So we got Wells Fargo, Chase, Capital One, Citi, Bank of America. You can even get credit cards through like Amazon and stuff like that. And whenever you make a purchase, it's going to give you like points or instant cash right back in your account. I've been using a card from Chase where I get 1% cash back. I get points, and if I spent a certain amount within a few months, I was able to get like $600 for free. So you can also check out the intro offers here and see what those are about. You know, $200, $200, $250 matched cash back. So that's probably based on how much you spend within a few months. They'll give you an equal amount in cash back. So if you're not doing this already and you want to improve your finances, definitely start thinking about getting a credit card. You'll get cash back, you might get a bonus, and you can build your credit score so that you can qualify for better things and better offers in the future. Make sure you can pay off your credit card at the end of the month. You don't want to be doing something that you can't pay to get cash back. It's not a good idea. Make sure you have the money in your account and only spend money that you can pay back at the end of the month. Otherwise, you're just going to be playing a losing game. So that'll do it for this video. Just an overview to get people thinking about credit cards. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.